Hi students, today we are going to learn the book back exercise of the lesson A Tragic Story. It is a poem, right? We learn this poem, right? What is the poem? Yes, one man is there, he has the pigtail in his back and he is trying to change the place of the pigtail, but at last he get failure, right? So it should be in back only, it is safe to us, right? Yes. So now we are going to learn the analogy, okay? Analogy means it is comparison, okay? Comparison between two things. It is a synonym or antonyms, we can compare two things. It is analogy. Okay, see here in Tamil we can say analogy means oppumai. Okay, we can compare two. Okay, see. Now take your book page number 100. Yes. Analogy is a comparison between two things to show a relationship for the purpose of explanation or clarification. An analogy also shows an apparent similarity between the two things that are being compared. See, two things, if it is compared, it is an analogy. Okay, what is the spelling? A-N-A-L-O-G-Y. Analogy. Okay, now see here, see that boxes, pigtail, head. Pigtail means it is behind. Okay, head. So it is in the head. Pigtail enga irukku? Head la irukku. Pigtail means and the mudi pinni pottadu pigtail. Okay. So pinni pottadu enga irukku? Thalaiyila irukku. So pigtail, head. So both in same place. See the next one, mustache. Mustache means the gents, okay, the boys, the father, yes, uncle, they are having the mustache, meesa, okay. Where it is they are having? In the face. So it is in the face. See the comparison, pigtail is in head, mustache is in face. So next, see the next one, spectacles, eyes. Spectacle, where we wear the spectacle? Spectacle means specs. Yes, we can wear in the eyes. Okay, next watch. Watch we can wear, where we can wear the watch? Wrist. Okay, see comparing the things. Next one, frame. Frame means it is a dial. We can dial the frame, right? Yes. Okay, see here. See the tabular column. Laugh is to happy as cry is to sad. See, laugh is to happy. சிரிக்கிறது எதுக்கு சிரிப்போம்? ஹாப்பியா இருக்குது. See here, laugh is to happy. Laugh is to happy as cry is to sad. As cry is to sad. See here, this analogy relates feelings. Yes, happy, sad, it is a feeling, right? And behavior that are opposite. See, happy, sad, it is a opposite. So first point we learn is analogy can compare the opposites. Okay, first one, opposites. See, that are opposites. When we are happy we laugh. எப்போ நம்ம சந்தோஷமா இருப்போமோ அப்போ சிரிப்போம். When we are sad we cry. எப்போ நம்ம கஷ்டமா இருக்கோமோ அப்போ அழுவோம். Okay, first thing, analogy can compare opposite also. Okay, second one, a match is to a fire as a key is to a car. A match is to a fire. தீப்பெட்டி. Okay, matchbox. Matchbox எதுக்கு? Fire. தீ உருவாக்குறதுக்கு. Key எதுக்கு? காரை ஓபன் பண்றதுக்கு. See now here the analogy relates objects on the basis of their use. Okay, objects basis of their use. Basis of their use. Okay, it can compare two things according to their use. அது எதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுதோ அதை வச்சும் அனாலஜி நம்ம என்ன செய்யலாம்? உருவாக்கலாம். Okay, next point, see the next page 101. Big is to small as huge is to tiny. Already we learned opposite, right? Big big na opposite small. Yes, huge na opposite tiny. Okay, big na perusu, small na chinnadu. Huge na perusu, tiny na chinnadu. Here the analogy relates opposites. The opposite of big is small and the opposite of huge is tiny. Okay, already we learned happy, sad. Yes, next one. Big is to huge as tiny is to small. It is synonyms. Okay, third point for the synonyms also. For the synonyms also we can use the analogy. Okay, see, big is to huge. Big is to huge na big na perusu nu artham. As tiny is to small. Tiny na chinnadu nu artham. See, the same meaning. So it is synonyms. Already we know, right? Here the analogy relates synonyms. Big refers to something huge while tiny means something small. Yes, so three rules are here. First one, opposites. For opposites also we are able to compare the analogy. And for their use, idukku use agum, idukku use agum. Chalk piece is used to write on the board. Pencil is used to write on the book or note. Okay, so we are able to compare the things use according to their use. Okay, then synonyms means it has the same meaning. Okay, now let me do the exercise. Yes, first Roman letter. Complete the analogies by writing the correct words in the blanks. First one, an apple is to fruits as a rose is a, we know, yes, apple வந்து பழம், அப்ப rose என்னது flower. So first one answer is flower. Write neatly. Handwriting should be neat. Don't make spelling mistake. Okay. Next one. Crying is to pain. அழுறது எதுக்கு அழுவோம்? Pain. Okay. Crying is to pain. Laugher means சிரிக்கிறது. Already we learned, right? Happy, sad antonyms is we learned. Yes. Laugher is used to happiness. So answer is happiness. Happiness. Next, third one. Walking is to legs. நடக்கிறது எதுக்கு? காலை வச்சு தானே நடக்கும். Yes. Walking is to legs as waving. Waving na கையை ஆட்டுறது. Okay வா? Waving is to hands. Okay, next fourth one. Day is to sun. Day எதை வச்சு இருக்கு? Sun வச்சு. As night is to moon. Nightல என்ன இருக்கும்? Moon இருக்கும். பகல்ல sun இருக்கும், nightல moon இருக்கும். Next one. 4 is to square. In maths we learned, right? Square means it has 4 sides. Then 3 is to 3. எதுல 3 இருக்கும்? Yes, triangle. Okay, next one. Second Roman letter. Complete the following analogies with appropriate words. A rose is a flower as a dash is to tree. Rose வந்து flower தெரியும். எது வந்து tree? Yes, your wish. Any tree you can write. I write banyan tree. Okay, next second one. A duck is to duckling. Yes, duck ஓட குட்டி young one name என்னது? Duckling. As a pig is to piglet. Pig ஓட young one piglet. Okay, next one. A finger is to hand. Handல இருக்குறதுக்கு என்னது? Finger. Next feetல இருக்குது என்னது? Dash is to feet. Feetல உள்ள fingerக்கு பேர் என்னது? Toe. Toe. Next fourth one. A bed is to sleep. Bedல என்ன செய்வோம்? படுப்போம். A chair is to sit. It is easy, right? Next fifth one, last one. Yellow is to mango. Mango என்ன color? Yellow. As dash is to apple. Apple color? Red. Okay, next one. See, first two I am going to do, remaining is your homework. Okay, select the appropriate words from the box to complete the analogies. Analogies பண்றதுக்கு இந்த பாக்ஸ்ல இருந்து ரெண்டா choose பண்ணி என்ன செய்யணும் எழுதணும். see the sky is to blue, sky is to blue, sky வந்து என்னது blue. அப்போ ஒரு கலர் சொல்லணும், ஒரு திங்ஸ் ஏதாவது சொல்லணும். ஓகேவா? so the grass select பண்ணிக்கலாம். grass என்ன கலர்ல இருக்கும்? green color. so both I am taking. the grass is to green. first one, the grass is to green. Next, the second one. I think you have find the answer. Yes. Next one. Letters are to postman. Letters are to postman. Letter yaar karva? Postman. As. Yes. What are the words we can pick from the box? Milk, milkman. So milk is to milkman. Milk is to milkman. Okay, milk is to milkman. See, letters we are using are. For the milk we want to use is. Already we learned this, right? Yes, remaining, the lamp is to sheep, the knife is to cut, and lungs are to animals, ear is to hear. This is your homework. It is very easy. You want to find two things and you want to just compare the two things with these things. Okay. Next one, phonic junction. Okay, phonic junction. See, read this line from the poem. But wondered much and sorrowed more. See, sorrowed. Sorrowed. See, oh. Sorrowed. Okay, sorrowed. The letters O. The letter O. This sound is pronounced as O. O in the word sorrowed is pronounced like no. Sorrowed is pronounced like no. Okay, no ங்கிற மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன செய்றோம்? pronounce பண்றோம். O sound. Okay, O sound we are pronouncing. See, let us look at some more words with the same sound. Now we are going to pronounce the word. Okay, see, come and join with me. Bone, gold, board, borrow, close, sold, goat, tomorrow. Oh, okay. Hope, told, road, window. See, all O sound. Read the given words aloud. Circle the words that have the same sound as O. Okay, see, first column. Okay, first column only I am going to do. Remaining is your homework, so listen carefully. Okay, எதெல்லாம் no, the no O soundல வருதோ அதை ஃபுல்லா சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். Okay, this is the exercise. See, first one, or. See, first W is there, but W is not pronounced here. So, starting is or. Okay, so it is not come. Next one, open. See, O, open. So, you want to circle the word. Circle the words that have the same sound. So, you want to circle open. Next, own. You want to circle the word own. Then no. See, no. Oh, notice. So, these words you want to circle. Okay, remaining is your homework. Okay, I am going to give you homework. Synonyms. Okay, learn and write the synonyms. Synonyms you want to learn and write. Then another homework is learn, fill up and answer in one word. That is only one line and one word question answers, right? So you want to learn both. Learn, that is you want to learn. Synonyms you want to learn and write. Synonyms learn and write. And second homework is learn, fill up and answer in one word. And book exercise, page number 101, 101. That third Roman letter C, D, E, F. Okay, that is your homework. And page number 102, this remaining thing is your homework. You want to pronounce the word, then you want to circle. If it is related to that O sound, you want to circle the word. Okay, this is your homework. Okay, students, I hope you all understand this topic. Thank you, students.